how to get Apple Intelligence on iPhone 15 Pro Max. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to access Apple Intelligence on your iPhone 15 Pro Max. Apple Intelligence refers to the AI-powered features that enhances your iPhone's performance, including Siri, personalized notifications, and facial recognition. Start by ensuring your iPhone 15 Pro Max is running the latest iOS version. To do this, head to Settings and then tap on General and select Software Update to make sure you're using the most current version. Now you can automatically see this when you're still in the General section, when you can see this one icon right here. And then once updated, Apple Intelligence will be available across various features on your device. Siri, which is powered by Apple Intelligence, learns from your interactions and provides more accurate responses over time. You can enable Siri under Settings and then Siri and Search. Moreover, your iPhone 15 Pro Max uses AI for background processes, optimizing performance and battery life. Features like Face ID uses machine learning to improve facial recognition for a more secure unlocking experience. Apple also uses AI for app recommendations and predictive text and messages. To fully enjoy Apple Intelligence, regularly update your device to ensure all the latest AI features are active. And that's how you get Apple Intelligence on your iPhone 15 Pro Max.